Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Pakistani Girl in USA. Today we are diving into landing your first sale on Shopify. Quick and actionable tips to turn that launch into real results. Here is how to make it happen, girl, in USA. Leverage your inner circle and free traffic. Invite your friends, family, colleague to visit your store. Early support not only generate initial revenue but also get valuable feedback. Participate in relevant communities, Reddit, Facebook groups, engage genuinely, answer questions, build presence, and share your store when appropriate. Optimize your storefront. Use a clean, mobile friendly theme and load it quickly, critical for retaining visitors. Enhance product pages with high quality photos, different angles, real life use, and early testimonials. Launch targeted promotions, offer incentives like discount codes, BOGO deals, and flash sales to spark urgency. Collect emails via surveys or giveaways, then follow up with targeted offers. Kickstart paid and organic ads. Try small budget Facebook, Instagram ads, $5 to $10 day to test audience targeting. Use Google Shopping or search ads if your product align well with search intent. Don't skip retargeting ads aimed at visitors who did not buy can be a powerful tactic. Utilize influencers and bloggers. Collaborate with micro-influencer 1K to 100K followers in your Nike for affordable high engagement promotion. Pitch bloggers for product reviews or guest posts to increase visibility and backlinks. SEO and content marketing. Launch a blog to publish helpful content aligning with your products. Guide, tips, comparison with internal link to back to your store. Do basic on page SEO optimized titles, meta descriptions, image alt text, and keywords rich content. Build trust and retain traffic. Add social proof, testimonials, user photos, and sold out indicators. Keep contact visible, live chat or chatbots, and include a clear about page to humanize your brand. Follow up via email, retarget abundant cards, or share discount reminders. Track, analyze, improve. Use tools like Lucky Orange and Hotjar to see user behavior and identify drop off areas. A into B test landing pages, product layout, image, and only scale paid campaigns once conversation improve. Here are some detailed benefits of making your very first sale on Shopify. The milestone is more powerful than you might expect. Validation and confidence boost. Your first sale confirm your product has market fit and people are willing to pay for it. Shopping all guesswork, it's a huge emotional milestone. Many sailors report experiencing a rush of excitement and belief in their brand. In one Reddit story, the first sale of Shopify is a massive landmark, although it could be a very tough. Data and insights to learn from once you bring in traffic and convert it. You again crucial analytics. As Shopify highlights, this help you identify what marketing channel and content are working and what need integrating. For example, checkout friction, bounce issues, accelerated learning, enable smarter decision and better ROI as you scale marketing efforts. Strengthen and advertising targeting. According to Reddit feedback on dropshipping, once you make your first sale, your ads pixel warm up. This means better targeting. From AdRoll, early sales data lets you refine your ad targeting and creative messaging to get more conversations. Trust and Social Proof Foundation. Even one order starts your product review journey, essential for long term credibility. You can also ask early buyer for feedback. Other trust factors like SSL badges, clear written policies, or product bundles now prove meaningful. Cost effective conversation levers, discount offers, for example, 10 to 25% off first orders or free shipping, are scientifically proven to nudge conversion. 57% of shoppers purchase. Because of coupon incentives and almost 70% consider free shipping influential. Early promotion help capture leads via emails and enable follow-up retargeting to cover abundant cards or share upsells from captured emails. Store credibility and customer experience check. Your first buyer effectively test your full funnel from store navigation, product pages, checkout to order processing. Their experience highlight UX bottlenecks or backend inefficiencies you can fix early. A successful order begins your reliable fulfillment process and communication flow crucial for retention. Momentum and scaling potential. That first sale is the launching pad. It opens the door to building repeat customers, scaling ads with optimized campaign, pursuing affiliate or influencers strategies. Now I will tell you about importance. Leverage your personal network, announce your launch to friends, family and acquaintances, offering them an exclusive discount or referral incentive. As early supporters, they help validate your store and generate word of mouth buzz. Offer irresistible promotion. Use first order discount, free shipping or value add gift to entice purchase. Pair them with limited time urgency to nudge action. Optimize and store design and experience. Ensure mobile responsiveness, fast loading pages, intuitive navigation, simplified checkout, minimal steps, no forced login. Shine in your product pages. Use high quality product images from multiple angles, clear and SEO friendly descriptions outlining benefit, use cases, and problem solving aspects. Generate traffic from day one. Social media and influencers. Launch on channel like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. Share compelling visuals, run giveaways, follow competitor audiences and build engagement organically. Partner with relevant influencers or micro influencers offering product reviews or sponsor content to reach targeted audience. Paid ads or retargeting. Test small budget Google ads, search, shopping, YouTube. Focus on 5 to 10 high intent keywords. Use Facebook, Instagram ads with strong visual creatives and clear call to action. Set up retargeting ads for visitors who view product or abundant carts to re-engage them. SEO and content marketing. Start a blog on your store, publish how TOS, use case guides, product tips optimize with relevant keywords. Build some quality backlinks, guest post, collaboration forums to boost search ranking. Why it matters. Sustainable, organic traffic over time help position your brand as an authority. Build email relationship. Capture email via pop-up offering first order discount or content offers. Send welcome email, abundant cart reminder, post purchase upsell and win back campaigns. Boost average order value. Use upsells and cross sales within product pages, carts and at checkout via apps like Bold Upsell and Reconvert. Now it's a time of end the topic. Here's a concise summary for you guys. Your first sale on Shopify is more than just revenue. It's a powerful validation of your idea, a confidence boost, and the spark that ignites your entire e-commerce journey. It proves there is a real diamond. It gives you initial cash flow to reinvest and unlock the ability to gather reviews, craft better marketing, and refine your store. Once you break that barrier movement build, you can optimize, scale, and turn that one sale into a steady stream as Shopify put it. Focus relentlessly on driving traffic from day one. Share your store with your network and Nike communities, offer incentives, and prioritize a seamless experience, and you will soon cross that exciting finish line. Thank you so much guys for hanging out with me today. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss my next vlog from the USA. See you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.